Good morning, dear trainees. Today we are going to discuss about the micro teaching uh, session, micro teaching skills also. So, in earlier classes in the college, in the classroom, we have discussed about the introduction of micro teaching, meaning and concept of micro teaching, and definitions of micro teaching, stages of micro teaching, procedure of micro teaching, cycle of micro teaching, merits and demerits of micro teaching, and some skills which are relevant to the related to our mathematics methodology or mathematics classrooms, mathematics content. So now we are going to discuss about the micro teaching skills which are essential, which are very essential to the teaching of mathematics in the regular classroom to the trainee teachers. So what are there are so many skills are there, but we will discuss only few skills which are most important to write the lesson plans, to teach the content in the classroom in the general class. So if you take the first skill, that is skill of instructional objectives. That means we will write the objectives of the lesson. Here, how to write the objectives of the lesson, we instructional objectives we will write we using this skill, but we are not going to practice this in a micro teaching session. The second one is skill of introducing a lesson. Here, it's the most important skill in micro teaching, and it is the most effective one, which makes you to a good or inspiring teacher. So we will discuss detail about this introducing a lesson or introducing a topic. The skill is most important to the teacher, every teacher. The third one is skill of reinforcement. This is also most important topic, but we learn it later in the reflective teaching. How to encourage the students to give the answer, to respond in the classroom positively towards our lesson plan. This skill explains. The fourth one is skill of fluency of question. How to ask the question with a fluency. How the question should be. Where should we pause and where should we go on. Where should we go ahead. All these things we will learn in using this skill. This is also good one. We are going to practice this one. The fifth skill is skill of probing the questions. Skill of probing the question. How to ask the question, where to start the question, where to stop the question, to whom we have to ask, how to pose the question to towards the students, which question to which student. That all skills very important skill to the mathematics teacher. We will learn and we will practice this skill also in micro teaching section. The sixth one is skill of illustrating with example. So this is also most important, but we don't practice in our mathematics skills. How to give relevant examples to the content to make the students to understand the abstract concepts to concrete concept. This is the most important one, but we don't practice in mathematics. Skill of stimulus variation. We will practice a lot. Why? Because as with the mathematics teachers, the subject is the abstract one, so we have to motivate the student by showing or involving in the activities or showing some teaching learning material to involve the students in the teacher learning activities. So this is the most important one. We are going to practice this skill also in micro teaching skills. The next one is skill of using the blackboard. This is the most important micro teaching skills to the mathematics teacher. Without using the blackboard, mathematics teacher cannot become a good teacher. So how to use this blackboard, we should learn very perfectly. So we are going to practice this one in micro teaching skills in mathematics. The next one is skill of closure. How to conclude the topic at the end of the lesson. This explains, and we will practice this one, but how to close it we will discuss here, but we don't practice as a skill in teaching practice session. Skill of link practice. How to link the contents to other contents of subject. This is also one skill, but it is the most important, but we don't practice this also here. So in the teaching practice session, micro teaching session, we will practice only 5 skills. Among that 5 skills we have to write, using that 5 skills we have to write the 2 or 3 micro teaching lesson plans using these all skills. So with this, one more explanation skill is also left, that is very important to every mathematics teacher, how to present or how to explain the content in a easy manner. That is skill of explanation or skill of presentation is also one of the most important skill, that also we are going to discuss or practice in mathematics micro teaching session.